Let's have some fun using Excel to do some capital budgeting problems. I'm showing here the example that I gave in the slides for the payback period. We're going to start by calculating the payback period, simple payback period. So in the slides, you'll recall $10,000 was paid out the first period. And then I had coming in 2,000, then 4,000, 3,000, 3,000, and then 9,000 in subsequent periods. I'm going to stick with the convention of using a negative number for money that flows out. So how do we calculate the payback period? Well, I am sure there's other ways of doing this. I'm going to do it this way so it's kind of obvious. And if you find other ways that you like, why, knock yourself out. All right. My initial outlay is 10,000. Not a big deal. Period 1, I pay back some of this. So how much do I have left? I'm going to calculate how much I still have to recover from my initial outlay. So I got that. I got to get that. But I've now brought in 2,000. So now I'm 8,000 in the hole. Second period. Well, I'm starting with that, but I'm bringing in 4,000. All right. Well, I'm still 4,000 in the hole. Third period. I start with that. I don't do that. I start with this one, and I bring in now the 3,000. Let me just show you what those formulas look like so you can see that again. So this formula, for example, it looks like this. I'm just taking the cell above it and adding a number up above to make this look right. I copied it forward, so there should really be a B, but that's how it looks. And that's really a C, right? Okay, so now I'm $1,000 in the hole. Period 4. Well, I can just look and I can say period 4 is going to be greater. I'm going to come positive, right? And I'll do it just to do it. So it's going to be equal to that one plus 1, 2, 3, 4, period 4. Now I'm in the positive. Now I'm out of the hole. Well, so I know it took me 3 years and a little bit more than a year. How much more than a year? Well, it took me 3 years. I'll take this 1,000 and divide it by this last year that got me out of the hole. So the fraction is 1,000 divided by the 3,000. And it turns out to be a negative number because I was trying to get this, but I really wanted a 0.333. So the answer to the payback period is 3.33333 years. Okay? It's kind of an awkward way to calculate it. Maybe you'll have a better way that's more intuitive to you, but I'll actually put it here so you can see it all. Payback period equal to well, we'll just use that. Why not? Plus, actually, I'll subtract this one to make it look positive. This one, 3.333.